I'm looking for 6 experts. A question for you. Have you ever thought, I should write a book? Not because you want to become an author, but because you know a book would help you become more visible, more credible, and attract better opportunities. Over the last few years, I've helped 46 people become Amazon best-selling authors. What I've noticed is that the real transformation isn't the book itself. It's what happens because of the book. More authority, more speaking opportunities, more clients, more confidence, more income. So I've decided to open just 6 places in a new program called Ascension Elite. Over 90 days, we'll help a small group of experts clarify their positioning, create a best-selling book strategy, build a signature framework, design premium products and services, develop speaking opportunities, create marketing assets, build an authority ecosystem around their expertise. And for the first time, we'll be using my Accelerate GPT system to dramatically accelerate the process. In many cases, what used to take months can now be mapped out in a single afternoon. This isn't a course, it's an implementation program. And because I'll be working closely with each participant, I'm limiting it to 6 people. If you'd like to explore whether it could be a fit, simply reply to this post with the word Ascension, and we'll arrange a conversation. To your success.